In today's video, I'll show you on how you can connect SAP to Power BI step by step. First things first, you want to search for SAP connector for Microsoft.net, and then you want to head over to their official website. From here, we are going to get the right file or decompiled with .NET framework right here. You then want to click on your system operating bit. In my case, I'm using the x86. If you're using an 64-bit operating system, you want to click on this option right here. From there, it will then ask you to enter or sign in your SAP ID account. From there, we can then proceed to open up the Power BI Microsoft, and then you want to click on the Get Data button. This window will show up, on which you have to click on More. From there, this will pop up, and then you simply want to search for SAP. We have multiple options like the SAP HANA database, SAP Business Warehouse Application Server, and the Business Warehouse Message Server. In our case, we are going to select the middle one, which is going to be the Business Warehouse Application Server, and it will look something like this. You want to enter your server, your system number, your client ID, and then you want to click on OK. You can also adjust some additional settings by clicking on the advanced options if you want to. But basically from there, it will look something like this, on which you have to enter your username, your password, and then you want to click on connect. From there, you have successfully connected your SAP to Power BI. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.